In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal information on Big Cartel efficiently and with ease. Whether you're looking to change your first and last name due to a personal preference, or perhaps a change in your brand identity, this guide will walk you through every step with clarity and support. When you first open up your Big Cartel dashboard, you'll notice a clean and organized interface designed to make your navigation intuitive. Your dashboard is like the control center for your store, filled with valuable insights and tools. Start by directing your attention to the top menu where you'll find a selection of options to explore different features. Currently, we're interested in the Account section located at the top of your screen. A simple click here, and you're on your way. Upon entering the Account section, you're greeted with a series of options. Scroll down through these, keeping your eyes peeled for the section labeled Personal Information. This section contains all the details that define how your identity appears within Big Cartel's system. Now, you're going to want to edit your profile, a process that's refreshingly straightforward on this platform. Adjacent to your personal information, look for the option to Edit Your Profile. This crucial feature allows you to make the necessary adjustments to your account details. Once inside the editing mode, you have the full freedom to alter your personal details. Specifically, if changing your first and last name is what you're aiming for, this is the space where those alterations happen. It's as simple as selecting your current details and typing in the changes. Be concise but sure with your spelling, as these names represent you or your brand. After you've entered your new first and last name, confirming these changes is essential. At the bottom of this page, you'll find a Save button which locks in your modifications, ensuring your updated details are secure and part of your official record. Double-check everything one last time if needed. It's worth the few extra seconds to guarantee everything is accurately captured. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your personal information on Big Cartel. This process is quick, yet pivotal, especially for maintaining a consistent and updated image of your brand or store. By following these steps, not only do you enhance your personal or business representation, but you also ensure that all your interactions and records within the platform reflect your desired identity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have more queries or need further assistance, feel free to explore other guidance videos available.